Terrific. And the reason why we're baking rainbow cookie cake is because this week the pre-K kindergarten classes studied rainbows. So we thought we'd mix it up a little bit and bring in some rainbow baked goods. Flour. If you remember from last week, maybe the week before, I don't remember. All the weeks are blending together. You want to spoon your flour into your measuring cup. And do you remember? I can't hear you, but do you remember why? If you said you don't want to over measure, you were right. So go ahead and spoon that very lightly. You're not packing it in. It's not brown sugar. Now to mix in, what will happen is it's not going to be a rainbow cake anymore. It's going to be a brown kind of gloomy cake because those colors run. All right, go ahead and stir in, if you're at this part, go ahead and stir in your 2/3 cup white chocolate chips and 1/2 cup rainbow sprinkles. That's a lot of sugar right there. Whatever sprinkles you have left over, and go ahead and right on top. I happen to have these in the cabinet. Any baker would. And then you've got your rainbow all the way around. Okay. There you go. Yes, I had a rainbow plate. Mr. Aspinall is scratching his head.
Bye, Miss Aspinall. Bye. My parents are looking forward to the delivery.